Good morning, all of you. In the previous class, we are solving the board examination questions based on matrices. Now today, we are taking some other questions which are very important from an examination point of view. So let's start. First question is, so that matrix B dash AB is symmetric or skew symmetric according as A is symmetric or B is symmetric. Okay, we have to show that the matrix B dash AB is symmetric or skew symmetric. To prove what we have to do, this matrix is symmetric in first part, in second part, this matrix is skew symmetric. Okay? So first we have to prove that this matrix is symmetric according as A is symmetric. Means we have to given that given A is symmetric, and you know it well, if a matrix is symmetric, then we know that A dash is equal to A. Okay, a matrix is symmetric, that is A dash is equal to A. This is we have to given. Now we have to prove that this matrix is B dash AB is symmetric. So let the transpose of this matrix B dash AB, what will be? You know that AB dash is equal to B dash A dash. We know that this property. Okay, so we will apply here. Here this is B, this is A, this is B. So it will be B dash A dash. So it will be B dash and A dash. Okay. Now we can open it with this. So we will write B dash A dash, and this will be, we know that the transpose of the transpose is that matrix, means B dash B transpose of transpose is equal to that matrix B. So we write here B. Now we know that we have to given A dash is equal to A. Okay, so we write B dash, and this is A and this is B. So what we have get, B dash AB whole dash is equal to that matrix. Look at A is symmetric matrix. It means the transpose of the matrix is equal to the matrix. Okay, here what we have proved that the transpose of the matrix is equal to the matrix, so it is symmetric. So we will write B dash AB is symmetric matrix. Symmetric. Okay. Now we will see second part. In second part, what we have to given? If matrix A is skew symmetric. Okay. Now let A is skew symmetric. So what is the property of what is skew symmetric matrix? A matrix is said to be skew symmetric if A dash is equal to minus of that matrix. Okay. So now we will apply. Take the matrix B dash AB whole dash. What will be? It will be AB dash. So B dash A dash. So this is B. B dash A dash is this. Again apply the same formula. You know, AB dash is equal to B dash A dash, and B dash is equal to B by the property of matrix. So now we change this B dash AB dash is equal to what? This will be B dash A dash and this will be B, and B dash and A dash is what? A dash is given what? Given minus A. So we will write minus A and B. Now take this minus here. So P dash AB. Now what we are seeing here? We are seeing that the given matrix is equal to the given matrix. The transpose of the given matrix is equal to the negative sign of the given matrix. So this matrix is what? B dash AB is skew symmetry. Okay? In this way we can prove that this matrix is symmetric if A is symmetric and this matrix is skew symmetric if A is skew symmetric. Okay? So now next question we will see. Or next question is let A is equal to, if A is equal to matrix 0 0 0 1, okay, then so that then we have to prove that AI plus BA to the power n is equal to A to the power n I plus n A to the power n minus 1 B A, where I is the identity matrix of order. Okay? So we can write I is identity matrix of order 2. Okay? Now these things we have to given and prove that AI plus BA to the power n is equal to A to the power ni plus na to the power n minus 1 B into matrix A. Okay? Now first we will make it. What we have done? We will take left hand side. The left hand side is what? AI plus BA to the power n. Okay? So make this first. We will take the matrix A 0 1 0 0. Sorry, it is matrix I is what? 1 0 0 1, and this is A plus now B or A is 0 1 0 0 now to the power n. Okay, now solve this A 0 0 A, so plus 0 0 0 B, and this is to the power n. Now we get A and here B, and this is 0, this is A to the power n. So this is our left hand side. Okay, what is your left hand side? A B 0 A to the power n. Now take right hand side and make this. What is right hand side? right hand side is a to the power n I plus n a to the power n minus 1 b a. Okay, this is right hand side. Now a to the power n and I is what? 1 0 0 1 and a to the power n minus 1 b and matrix A is what? 0 0 0 1. Okay, any doubt? Now multiply this here, we get a to the power n 0 0 a to the power n. Okay, now take C, this is plus and 0 0 0 and 1 is and a to the power n minus 1 b. Okay, now what we will do? Now add this both term, we get a to the power n and a to the power n minus 1 b 0 a to the power n. So this is our right hand side. What a to the power n and a to the power n minus 1 b 0 a to the power n. Now we will write here our left hand side a b 0 a to the power n and right hand side what is this? A to the power n 0 a to the power n and a to the power n minus 1 b. This is our right hand side. Okay, now what we have to prove? That we have to show that this, we will prove this by the help of mathematical induction. Okay, now we will start from here by the help of mathematical induction. So first I am going to revise what I have done. First a is given and we have to show that this is equal to this and given an identity matrix of order 2. So let's put the value of I and put the value of A. After multiplication we get A 0 0 A and B 0 0 B. Now add both term A B 0 A to the power n. This is left hand side. What is right hand side? Right hand side is this. So take this term and put the value of identity and A again. So we write here. Now multiply this. Now multiply this term. Now adding this. A to the power n and a to the power n minus 1 b 0 a to the power n. So our left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Now we will prove this by the principle of mathematical induction. Okay, now in the principle of mathematical induction what we will do? We will first check the result is true for n is equal to 1. Then we will let that the result is true for n is equal to k. And what we will do after this? We will prove that the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Then our result will be proved. Okay, so let's start first. For let this is our Pn. Okay, so let n is equal to 1. So P1 is A B 0 A is equal to A to the power n minus 1 minus 1 0. This is B and 0. This is A. So this is equal to this. So P1 is true. Okay, P1 is what? P1 is true. Now take let the result is true for n is equal to k. Okay, result is true for n is equal to k. So P k, what we will write here? A, B, 0, a to the power k, and this is equal to a to the power k, a to the power k minus 1, b, 0, a to the power k. Okay? Now we will prove the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Now we prove that p k plus 1 is true. Okay? So we consider this term and multiply it by both sides by this term. Okay? So let consider 0 a b a to the power k multiplied by both sides a b 0 a. This is equal to a k a to the power k minus 1 b 0 a to the power k, and this is multiplied by a b 0 a. Now we will multiply it and we get, so this will be what? Our a b 0 a to the power k plus 1. Now in right hand side we will multiply this term. So we get a to the power k plus 1. Okay, now this term will be 0. Now a to the power k into b plus k a to the power k minus 1 a into b. We multiply this first a to the power k plus 1 and second term is 0, so 0. Okay, we are seeing here these things we are seeing here. What we have to take right hand side. Right hand side is a to the power k 0 a to the power k and k a to the power k minus 1 b a b 0 a. Now what we will do? Multiply this term. So let a to the power k plus 1 plus this is 0. Now go for first row, first column. Now first row, second column, we get a to the power k into b plus k a to the power k minus 1 b into a. Okay? Now multiply this. Second row, first column, 0 plus 0. Now this term, this is 0 and plus a to the power k plus 1. Okay? Now erase this term. Okay? Now see a to the power k plus 1, 0, a to the power k plus 1. Now what we will write here, a to the power k plus into b plus k a to the power k. Okay? Here the power of a is 1, the base is same. When we will add this, it will be a to the power k. Okay? Now we write a to the power k plus 1, 0, a to the power k plus 1 and solve this. We have to find k. Now take common a to the power k. Okay. Now this is a to the power k plus 1, 0 a to the power k plus 1 and k plus 1 and a to the power k. Okay. Now here a to the power k into b plus k a to the power k minus 1 plus 1 to cancel a to the power k into b. Now take common a to the power k both sides, we get a to the power k and b. Okay. So in this way we can say that a, b, 0, a to the power k plus 1. So p k plus 1 is true. Now look at this is a to the power k plus 1, here 0 a to the power k plus 1, again k plus 1 and this b and a to the power k, which can be written as a to the power k plus 1 minus 1. So pk plus 1 is 2. In this way we can prove that this question by the help of principle of mathematical induction. Okay. For proving k plus 1, first we will take pk, okay, and multiply the both side with a b 0 a, okay, and we will after multiplication we get this term, okay, a to the power k, k to the power k minus 1 b 0 a to the power k a b 0 0 a. Okay, and we will after multiplication we get our result. Okay. Now next question. Next question is, if A is equal to matrix 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1, then prove that A to the power n is equal to matrix 1 plus 2n and minus 4n and 1 minus 2n. Okay. If A is equal to 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1, then we have to prove that A to the power n, 1 plus 2n minus 4n and 1 minus 2n, where n is any positive integer. So again we will prove this question by the help of principle of mathematical induction. So let's start. Let Pn a to the power n 1 plus 2n 1 minus 2n. Okay, so first what we will do, we take n is equal to 1, the result is 2. For n is equal to 1, so let n is equal to 1, so P1 A dash 1 plus 2 1 minus 4 minus 2 this is equal to 3 1 minus 4 minus 1. So a dash is equal to this. Sorry, it is a1. Okay, so a is equal to 3 minus 4 1 minus 1. So p1 is true. Now we let pk is true. Let pk is true. So pk such that a to the power k 1 plus 2k minus 4k k 1 minus 2k. Okay. Now we will prove that pk plus 1 is true. So for proving this, we take this term and multiply it by both sides with a. Okay. So let a to the power k. Now a to the power k is 1 plus 2k minus 4k k 1 minus 2k. Now multiply both sides by a, and here the value of a 3 minus 4 1 minus 1. Okay. Now multiply this a to the power k plus 1 in left hand side and right hand side. Multiply this. Okay, we get 1 plus 3 plus 6k this first row and first column, and this second term minus 4k, and this minus 4 minus 8k, and minus minus plus 4k. Multiply this 3k and 1 minus 2k. Again this term 3k, k minus 4k and minus 1 plus 2k. Now multiply again this 1 plus 2k into 3, so 3 plus 6k and minus 4k, 1 minus 4 minus 8k and minus minus plus 4k, again 3k and this 1 minus 2k minus 4k and 1 and this 1 minus 1 plus 2k. Now solve this. We write a to the power k plus 1 is equal to, we write 3 plus 2k and this is k plus 1 and this is minus 4k and this is minus 2k minus 1. And what we have to make it? We have to make this 1 plus 2k plus 1. Okay. Now minus 4 common, and this is k plus 1 and this is k plus 1 and this is what, minus 4k and plus 2k, minus 4k and minus 2k, it is minus 1 2k, so 1 minus 2k plus 1, so we can write minus 1 minus 2k plus 1. Okay. Now after multiplying minus 2k minus 2 plus 1 we get this. So in this way we can say that pk plus 1 is true. Okay. After multiplication of this and this, we will arrange this in the form of k plus 1, so it will be proved. Okay. Thank you.